Managing industrial data across multiple sites can quickly become complex without standardization. That's why asset profiles are at the core of how EasyEdge scales data management across sites. When adding an asset from scratch, no predefined asset profile is used. That's why it appears as custom, giving you complete freedom to define how it behaves. You begin by creating all the necessary data fields, each mapped to a specific register or memory address. From there, tags are automatically generated to expose the live data from those fields. Once your configuration is complete, how do you turn this custom setup into a reusable asset profile for all your projects and sites? To make your configuration reusable, just open the Asset menu and select Add to Library. Start by naming your asset profile, defining the version, and optionally adding a description. This helps keep your library organized as your projects grow. Next, configure your asset profile metadata. You can choose to keep it private for your own use or publish it as a shared resource for your entire account. Review the summary and click Finish to complete the process. Your new standardized asset profile is now ready to be reused across all your EasyEdge projects. The asset you added to your project is now bound to the newly created asset profile, making it easy to replicate and maintain across any gateway or site. Now let's jump to a different site. With the standardized asset profile already saved, we can quickly replicate the same asset across any location. To reuse the asset profile, start by adding a new asset to your project in the new site. Choose the EdgeNode where you want to add the asset. Choose the asset driver to connect to your asset. To reuse your standardized asset profile, select Create from Library. This allows you to quickly instantiate a pre-configured asset without manual setup. Search for the asset profile you created earlier and select it. Your asset's data fields are now fully configured, exactly as defined in the standardized asset profile. No manual setup needed. Now just validate or configure the communication settings for the new asset, such as address, port, and polling time, to match the target device. Rename the asset so it's clearly identified within your new project and site context. Choose the asset modeling method to automatically create tags. In this case, we'll use the one-to-one option, which creates one tag for each data field, streamlining the entire process. All tags were automatically created based on the asset profile. Just click Finish to complete the process. You've now added the asset to a new project using the standardized asset profile. Just deploy the project to the selected gateway, and data will start flowing automatically. Here you have it. The asset is added, data is flowing, and you're ready to replicate this setup as many times as needed across all your projects and gateways. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next EasyEdge tutorial.